Hello, hello, hello. When we last left off, I couldn't talk, and playing Red Dead Revolver. So hopefully, make some progress this episode. I got knocked back a few times last episode. So yeah, I should specify that Red Dead Revolver in my title. Oh, snap. Jesus Christ. Not gonna save me here. Oh, come on. Made some good progress there, too. I remember there being a glitch in there. I don't have to duck under these. Yeah, right here. If you go over here, you don't have to, ow. So if you want to know, you have to. You're screwed, dude. Yeah. I'll go to the cutscenes if I would sometimes. Screech, screech.
Hey, thanks for saving me. Here, let me patch you up.
Okay.
There ain't no way for these desperados.
Let me shoot them.
Boy, you missed quick while you were
Just chill here. I ain't gotta come up. I know better. Hope you can hear me. It'd be pretty embarrassing if you couldn't. Lean forward. Yeah, because I'm just gonna waste time because look at the timer. And it'll give me enough time to make a decent sized video. I don't want to make a super short video. I don't want to make a super long video. 10 minutes is a good cutoff point, I think. Don't you think? With my YouTube setting, it will only allow me to do 10-minute videos or less. I can't go up there? Yes, I can. That's awesome. Gives me a better vantage point. Come on. Come here. Owned. Oh, hi there. Now you're sitting right there in my line of fire. Hey, the engineer still didn't get a hit. You have sucky aim, dude. Bro, shillish. You can't do Deadeye with really long range, I guess. Oh wow, I probably still stand over there. A lot easier. This is a lot faster. So I'll just chill with this. Die! Holy crap. Your face just got owned, sir. Come on. You're all brothers, I'm scared. Who's your mother? She must be really loose. If you're all the same father, he must be freaking bang. Got some drug in the drunk, if you know what I mean. Little extra, must have a disease or just has like an excess of it. Like gets her pregnant every time he fucks her. That'd be horrible. To know you're gonna get her pregnant if you have sex with her. That'd be horrible. I mean, don't want to offend anybody. Be awkward. Quit trying to rub my train. Okay, you're done. Timer.
Next up, Brimstone.
Brimstone. Horrible graphics. Alright, if it's gonna go to a newspaper thingy, yes. Alright. Just for this video, pretty short. Yeah. Oh, 4 stars. Cool. I shall see you guys later, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna play a different game. and it'll be good. Yeah, it'll be good. See you later.